Today, Realtor.com released its 2026 housing forecast, predicting a slight improvement to the affordability crisis. The average income for monthly home payments is now down 29.3%. First year that this has dropped under 30% since 2022, so that's good news. 30-year mortgage rate average is listed at 6.3%. That's down from 6.6%. And existing home inventory is set to go up by 8.9%. So let's bring in Realtor.com senior economist Danielle Hale to break it all down for us. Hey, Danielle, this came out this morning. Y'all do this every year.
That's right.
What are your thoughts, good or bad?
I would say it's a pretty good market.
Okay.
It's not going to be great for anyone, but it's going to be good for everyone. The housing market is steadying. We're seeing balance come back. We were in a strong seller's market for the last several years. We've been shifting back. Last year was the first year in balance. This year is going to be a little bit more balanced. That means buyer-friendly conditions, but nobody's going to walk away, with a steal. So we expect home prices to go up 2.2%, but that means that the drop in mortgage rates is going to offset those home price increases. So buyers will actually see the amount of money that it takes to buy a home fall for the first time since 2020. So that's going to improve affordability. And then, of course, as incomes go up, they're going to have to fork over less of their paychecks in order to afford a home.
What are your predictions for interest rates? Do you think they'll go down after Jerome Powell leaves?
I think it's long-term factors that matter for the mortgage rate. So the Fed's at short-term rates, and they are very likely to continue lowering rates in 2026. But you've got the fiscal outlook, you've got the economy that continues to be really resilient and grow, and so those are factors that are going to push mortgage rates higher as you've got the offset of the Fed. So we think on net they're going to be around where they are right now.
What about renters? Good news for renters next year?
Yes, the renters are going to see rents fall about 1%. So not a huge decline, but they've been falling now for a couple of years. So renters are in a pretty good position. We do expect to see more mobility. And then, of course, there's regional variation. So renters in the South and West are likely to see bigger rent decreases.
What about inventory? I was talking to you during the break. My family always says we want to live in these neighborhoods in South Carolina, but there are no houses for sale. And when one does come on the market, there's a huge, bidding war for the house.
Yeah, so real estate is very local. So nationwide, we do expect to see inventories grow by about 9% next year. So there's going to be more options for buyers in the market, but it depends on where you are. A lot of that growth is happening in the South and the West. The Midwest and the Northeast, we're not seeing as much growth because there's not as much construction. But then even within those local regions, you might see different trends in different neighborhoods. Some neighborhoods that are really in demand are likely to see homes still sell pretty quickly.
Right. How does this year, because I know that this just came out this morning, it was released, the housing forecast for Realtor.com. How does this year's forecast compare to last year's? Are we better off in 2026, you think?
Yeah, so buyers are going to see their costs go down. Sellers are still going to see prices go up. And the reason that can happen is because we've got mortgage rates that are coming down on average across the year. And because of that, we expect to see more transaction activity. There are going to be more opportunities for buyers and sellers to meet in the middle. It's not going to be a huge increase, but it is going to be a step in the right direction.
That's so interesting. What was the worst year you've seen since you've been with the company?
2024, I think, is going to go down in record as the worst sales. But to be honest, 2025 is right on the fence.
Why was 2024? What was happening? We were coming out of the pandemic. We were already out, right?
Yeah, but mortgage rates shot up, and so there was a lot less transaction activity, and buyers and sellers have had to adjust to that mortgage rate shock. And I think the housing market is doing that, but very, very slowly.
Okay, all right. Well, J.D. Vance predicts 2026 will be the year that the economy really takes off. He said that yesterday at the cabinet meeting.
I hope he's right.
I hope so. Thank you, Danielle. Great to see you. Good job.
I'm Steve Doocy.
I'm Brian Kilmeade.
And I'm Ainsley Earhart. And click here to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page to catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis.